Hey guys, I'm Anthony, this is Christian, and together we're Eggs Creative. In this video, we're going to talk about our new office studio space, which is where we're filming at the moment, how it came about, who we share the space with, and we'll give you a quick little tour around the space. So Christian, tell us, where are we right now?
So we are currently at Laundry and Friends in the District Docklands. We are working in a co-working space with three other businesses. One is Call Dad, which is an alcohol delivery service, the Bed Collective, which is an e-com business, and the Sneaker Laundry, which is a sneaker laundry cleaning service, and they also sell e-commerce products. Yeah, here is a tour of our space.
Alright, let's go.
Right here.
So this is where we were shooting. This is where we were sitting. Got the lighting set up here. Are you on a wide angle?
Yeah.
All right. This is pretty run and gun at the moment, so we haven't cleaned too much of the space. But this is where Christian's working at the moment. We got some nice custom artwork from one of our friends of the space. Bit of signage here. We've got a really cool whiteboard sort of space here. It's actually like a whiteboard paint sort of solution.
Yep.
This is where we do some of our brainstorming, some of our businessy modeling, to-do lists. This is the communal meeting area. This is where some of the Call Dad guys work. So they're the alcohol delivery startup. We normally have Ryan, Leon working from here. We got some old changing rooms. So an interesting fact is this used to be an old retail sneaker store.
It was actually a lingerie store.
It was a lingerie store. I don't know where I got that one, but this is our storeroom. It's a bit messy at the moment. We've been doing a few shoots. This is where the Bed Collective work from. They do sort of like Oodie loungewear, very comfortable sort of apparel, really cool. Some of the products of Call Dad, they partner with boutique alcohol brands, and they obviously do a mobile delivery service. We've drunk a lot. We've sampled, taste tested.
Yeah. Okay.
And this is the Sneaker Laundry. These are some of their products. Recently, they actually got featured in The Age, which was pretty cool. This is our space. And yeah, there's some of their cool products here. This is our makeshift storage space for scooters, skateboards, how we get around outside.
We use the skateboards to go to the toilet.
And yep, again, a communal waiting area, some lounge area for
It's a casting couch.
That's Eugene's workspace there. And this is our sort of makeshift office studio. This is the setup we've got at the moment. And I'll quickly show you outside. Melbourne just recently opened up again, so now there is a bit more people in this space. Normally it's very dead. But yeah, it's pretty cool. We've got some nice downlights. The space looks really appealing at night. So we plan to do some shoots either with influencers or do some collaborations. Fortunately, local businesses opening up again. And yeah, this is the space.
So this is the front of our store right here. So you can see right here.
And yeah, welcome to Laundry and Friends. We look forward to sharing more content with you from this space soon. So thanks for following along.